What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Salim from TooFast Inc. Man, we got a beautiful car here today. It's a 2018 Ferrari 488. We're putting on some Novitec springs to get it ready for the Novitec times Boston wheels. What kind of fitment are we running? You guys got to stay tuned. You're gonna see. But I'll give you a little peek. 21s and 22s. Let's get into it. Got the beautiful Novitec springs, adjustable. You can go up and down 10 millimeters. In the front, we have the hydraulic air cups on this. It's amazing because you can go low and then push of a button, the front just lifts up. You don't need to worry about scraping, which is everybody's nightmare, to just scrape the bottom of that lip on your beautiful Ferrari bumper, very expensive Ferrari bumper. Take a look here. Actually on this side, because we got the wheel off. So as you can see, we have a two-piece spring system. Smaller spring at the bottom, much softer. Larger, stiffer spring at the top. What that does, that helps with ride comfort as well as handling. With Novitec, they engineer their stuff to actually work, and this is proven to give you a better ride, better handling, as well as better comfort. Because once you go stiffer springs, you're always gonna lose the comfort of the ride. We have everything installed. We're just adjusting the final height. You can go up or down 10 millimeters. That's your call. Regardless, right off the bat with the springs, you're gonna get a 1 3/16 drop from Novitec. As you can see, these are factory adjustable coils, but just because you can go all the way down doesn't mean you want to, because you're gonna have a floppy spring. So the max they tell you can adjust is they wanted 220 millimeters full length and 10 millimeters up and down. We got Jesus right now adjusting the height in the front. We wanted to go 10 millimeters lower in the front than what came with the 1 3/16 drop with the Novitec springs. Let's check out the other side here. So as you can see here, these are the hydraulic cups. This is where the hydraulic fluid runs through. And with that, the vehicle is going to be able to actually lift up. I don't know exactly, but I would say an inch or more for sure. It goes up significantly high enough, so you don't need to scrape the front bumper. Now you can see the carbon here on these rotors, guys. Take that in. Wow, beautiful. Carbon ceramics, baby. TooFast, baby. So Novitec is available on our website, guys, toofastinc.ca, toofastautoparts.ca. You can order it online. If you guys are in the greater Toronto area, we can install it for you, no problem. Give us a call. You know where to find us, baby.